Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now in this video we will discuss a very special React lifecycle method, that is component wheel unmount. Now in this lecture we will see with the help of a program how this component wheel unmount will be called every time a component will disappear from the DOM. Now we will know that the React is all about component, and in this example the component will unmount will show how a component, whenever a component will disappear from the DOM, then this component will unmount will be called every time. Now for that purpose we have created two components. First one is your app component, and within that app component there is nothing but component will unmount. For example, we have just messaging this with the help of h1 tag, and then we are creating a child component, and within that child both are the class based component, and within that child component we are just shown nothing but within the h1 tag child component, and these two are shown here. Okay, so this is your app component and this is your child component. So now next we will just try to create a state, and with the help of the state we will try to show and disappear the child component from the DOM. So we are creating the state in the main component, that is the app component, and within the in the case of the class based component, you know the syntax, that there is constructor, that is a super method, and within that we are creating the state, and the state is a one state, that is show, and we have made is true. Next we will make this child component hidden and show with the help of this state. So for that purpose we will taking help of this. So now this dot state dot show, it is first of all it is made true. So whenever this is true, this condition will be, this child component will be shown, and if this is false, this dot state dot show is false, then nothing will be shown in the DOM. So now the child component in the shown in the DOM, because we have make this true. Now if we make this false, then this will disappear from the DOM. Now you can see that the child component will disappearing from the DOM. So we will make this with the help of a button. We will make this possible with the help of a button. So for that purpose we will creating a button, and within that button we are just setting calling the onClick function, and this onClick function is set and this show state true and false every time the button is clicked. Now this is the button, within that button the toggle name of the button is toggle, you can see the name of the button is toggle, and within that button we are just calling the onClick function. Within that onClick function we are just this dot set state. Now this dot set state, it actually make this state change. Okay, now we are making the state show toggle every time the onClick function is called. Okay, so they show equal to this, not equal to this dot state dot show. So every time this will disappear, because if we click this, then the show will go from true to false, and if we click this again, then the child component will be shown again, because it will be go from false to true. Okay, so toggle, the child component will disappear from the DOM. If we make is, then the child component again shown in the DOM. Now we will be calling the component will unmount method, React lifecycle method, in the child component. Okay, so this is nothing but component will unmount method, and within that method we are just consoling a message, simple message, disappear. Okay, so every time the child component will disappear from the DOM, this component will unmount will be called, because the any component, the definition is that in the React lifecycle method, that if any component will disappear from the DOM, then the component will unmount will be called every time. Okay, so now this is your, first of all this is your app component, this is your child component, and this is your button. Now if we click this button, the child component, both the whole child component will disappear from the DOM, and then it will console a message that the child component is disappear. Okay, now you can see disappear has been consoling here because that the child component will disappear from the DOM. Now if you click it again, child component will be shown, but at this time there will be no message because child component is shown here. Now if the child component will disappear again from the DOM, then second time the disappear message will be shown here. So this is a very nice example of React Lifecycle component will unmount method. Okay, thank you.